Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning, so if you need some cleaning motivation on this Monday or whatever day you're watching this, there's a lot of cleaning motivation here. I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen, cleaning the living room, and cleaning the bathroom. Pretty much cleaning the upstairs, a lot of it, not all of it, but a lot of it. So if you are new here, my name is Ivy. I am a wife and mom of 4 older kids. On my channel, I like to do cooking, cleaning, a little bit of fitness, all the things that interest me. So if you're new here and you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any more videos. And I'm going to be cleaning. So let's go.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me, and he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new, even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter started saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna na 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter.
So I'm continuing to clean my kitchen. That pan I just had, that was the pan from the toaster oven. I was putting some Bars Keeper Friends on there and trying to get all that rust and stuff off. It didn't work, but I let it soak. So now I'm in the living room, and I'm just going to straighten up the living room. It looks lived in like normal. So I'm just straightening up the pillows and putting stuff away, and just gonna get this living room straightened up.
I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer
And I had to put
just
my
being
Bears hat back on.
nothing
So now I'm in the bathroom, and I'm using some of my favorite products right now. These are spray cleaners. You spray them and leave them on, and then you wipe them off, or you can rinse them off. And this is the toilet bowl cleaner, and then I'm also going to be using the shower spray, where you just spray it and then you go back and do whatever you need to do. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be back with more cleaning videos, more videos, period. I should have a excuse me, I should have a video coming out of me cleaning before Christmas, a good cleaning, and so stay tuned for that. If you made it this far, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up emoji, and hope you guys are having a very good day, and I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me